This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Roger Remington. North GA Mountain Cabin. Active rental. This quality built 3-bedroom/3 bathroom cabin offers an open floor plan, a private setting, mountain views, a great room with vaulted ceilings, beautiful wood interior, 2 stacked stone fireplaces, stainless appliances, screened-in balcony off of the master bedroom, jetted tub and shower in the master bathroom, game/billiards room, tons of storage room, concrete patio on the lower level, low maintenance and wraparound porch to enjoy the wonderful outdoors. Long-range mountain views that will get even better with a little trimming. For more information, review the details below or contact Roger Remington at 678-358-8727.